Once in our lives, we've all had feelings for that one female friend, and we all have faced the same dilemma. To be honest, there's no point in confessing your feelings to her because you need to understand that. She sees you just as a friend. No matter how many late-night talks, laughs, or shared moments you've had, she will fight her own heart to fit you into the friend frame. And to break free, you need to make her feel butterflies and make her realize that, wait, I actually like him too. And here's how you do it. You have to first break the pattern of friendship. You have to make her feel the change in you. She must think, what's wrong? Something has changed. And the second she asks you, what's wrong? Just say everything is fine and that you are busy with other things. You do this by distancing yourself from her, by not talking to her on a daily basis, by somewhat ignoring her, and by sending her bland replies. Meanwhile, you are focused on your goals like leveling up in your career, starting a business, and getting jacked and healthier. Basically, you do not make her your first priority, and you are focused on something far greater than chasing a pussy. After this, it's time to make her feel jealous, and here's how you do it. Start hanging out with other women, flirt with them, be playful with them, and eventually she'll know about it, either through her social media or her friends telling her. This'll create jealousy, and this feeling of jealousy will be for you, so do not skip it. At this point, she has seen your transformation. From distancing yourself from her, not giving her validation as you used to having more women in your life with whom you are having fun. And all this is going to make her realize that she is attracted to you. But she doesn't know whether it's the same for you or not. So she'll start reaching out more to your improved self, the one who has leveled up and has options. And remember, when she approaches, you have to maintain your coldness to her. Do not give in. Otherwise, all the hard work you've done will be in vain. She will qualify herself, and you have to eventually set up a casual meeting with her. You can go for a coffee date, which is fine, or to a cafe. After weeks of you not seeing her, once again you both are together. And this time she'll be nervous but excited. She'll feel the heat between her legs. You'll both groove together. And don't be shy because it's her job. Use your game. Flirt with her. Be cocky funny. And she will confess her feelings for you, either directly or indirectly. And that's when you've known that you've escaped the friend zone and have broken free. All this will take a week or 3, depending on how well you've executed the plan. So make sure to have patience and keep working on it religiously. If you want to get into more detail and in-depth, then check out my exclusive ebook, Fvck Friendzone. This exclusive guide teaches you about the psychology behind women friendzoning guys, how I helped one of my friends to escape the friend zone, his personal story, the struggle guys face in a friend zone, and how to break free in just 7 days. It's only $7 for a limited time. The link is in the description, so make sure to grab your copy now. And here's a very important video that you must watch if you are serious. Until then, stop chasing and start attracting.